Hey YouTube, it's Aqua, and I'm going to show you the Wayback Machine. So basically, you're going to be able to go on any site and see what it looks like back in the day, right? So a cool site right here, we're going to search up youtube.com. So you're watching me on youtube.com right now. Do you remember 2006? Well, we're going to go back in 2006. We're going to go to March 10th, and we're going to go to Snapchat 919. So let's do that. And we're going in time, baby. We're going back in time. 2006, March 18th. Okay, we have made it. We have made it here. Get that out of there. We have made it back to the old YouTube. We are here. So if please like, comment, subscribe. But yo, so we're here, and now we're gonna go to an old video. Let's see if it works. Let's see if it works. What's another site? What's another site we should try? Maybe Neopets. I don't know. I don't know. Sometimes videos work, sometimes videos don't. But for the most time, for most cases, you should be able to make it work. For the most part, you may have to go up on a year or go to another video. I'm telling you, one of them is going to work. One of them is going to work. No worries. I've definitely seen it work before, but we're definitely going to find out now. Look at that. All right, this one did not work, but I'm telling you, go back on here, maybe a couple years up. Maybe let's go on the next year. Let's see what the next year is looking like. And after that, we're going to go on Neopets. We'll go from there. We're going on Neopets. I don't got time for this. Neopets. All right, let's do that. Just searched up Neopets. Just searched up Neopets. Neotopia. Neotopia. No. Neopets.com. All right. Nick. When do Nick Arcade? Y'all remember that one? All right, never mind. Don't even. All right, here we go. We're on nick.com now. And we have loaded in. Oh my goodness, dog. Oh my, I remember this. Oh my goodness, dog. I'm losing it. What? SpongeBob bubble busting. Let's see. Oh my goodness, dog. I remember this, John. Bigger, more exorbitant. Dang, they got the SpongeBob movie. This is crazy. What the heck is a ruffle? I can play the game. Oh, look at this. Look. Look, we can play the game. We're on the Wayback Machine. I'm trying to tell y'all. This is crazy. Hold on, we about to go on Disney. We gotta go on Disney. We gotta go on Disney. We know what is it? Disney games? What was it? Disney games? Which one of the games have? I don't have permission. Access denied. You know it's hard out here for a pimp. You ain't know. We on Channel Disney Games now. All right, here we go. Wait, the top of my jaw just went Chinese. Whoa! All right, you know what? I think we're good. I think we're done. I think we're good here. Are we done? Let's go here. Maybe. Hold up. Let's go back. I don't think this is the correct site. I don't think this is the correct site. This ain't Disney Channel. Channel Disney Games. Oh yeah, free online games for kids. This was definitely the site where they were luring. Dog, no, we are not gonna fall for his trap. Ooh, Tom and Jerry. What's the catch? Let's see what that's about. Oh, let's see what that's about. Click here to play. Tom Trap-O-Matic. What? Dog, where the games at? Mickey Mouse. There's Disney. There's Disney. What in the world? Yeah, these games were definitely illegal at some point. I don't even know. I don't even know. Oh, this is crazy. It says click here to play. Make sure your browser allows pop-up video. This is a hacked site. But anyway, that's how you get to old websites, Wayback Machine. I'm gonna put the link in the description below. Hey, let me know if you have any more questions or anywhere else you want me to go. Let's get it. Let's go. I'll see you on the next video. Wait a second. There's SpongeBob and a Krabby Patty. Freegames.net. I knew it. I knew this wasn't Disney. I knew it. I knew it. Flip or flop. What in the world? What? They're just trapping you into endless fun. Flip or flop. This is crazy. Yo, if you stayed into the end of this video, you've earned it. What is this? Dress up games. Yeah, these games suck. Play now. They really want me to play now? They want me to play now? I'm gonna hit play now. Oh, snap. Oh, wait. Oh, wait. It brought up the game. You're lying.